Om Namah Shivaya. Here was a miracle collection of Dakshinapati conch, or Valambari Sanghu, or right open conch. The Dakshinapati conch is formed in the shape of elephant. You can see shape of clear elephant. You can see a trunk, eye, head. Valambari Sanghu and Dakshinapati conch in the shape of elephant. It is a miracle collection. And if we keep it, it looks like Lord Ganesh. And back side is having Lord Vishnu Sudarsana Chakra. It is a right open coin. Totally unbelievable collection. Very, very unique formation. See, look like a perfect Lord Ganesh. Or perfect Lord Ganesh. Totally miracle piece of collection. Unbelievable. Now elephant, Lord Ganesh, again Lord Ganesh. Unbelievable. Extremely very rarest, unique collection of Valambari Sanghu. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It's an unbelievable collection of Valambari Sanghu or Dakshinapati conch or right open conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.